Hello. How are we doing? I know this video has been long overdue, but then I have to do it. It's been a while. I created a video tutorial relating to Canva, and I hope all those are going to change now because there's a whole lot of amazing stuff that you can do with Canva, and I think I have the time to start sharing more and more of those. Do well to follow me on all platforms so you do not miss out. Now, the tutorial I'm going to be sharing today is going to be really brief, very short. It's something I discovered a while ago, but I haven't just had the time to show you how. Now, without wasting much time, let me jump right into it. Now, this is our canvas. This is a 3000 by 3000 dimension. Now, this is our text, and we just select one. This is a subheading, and you can see the font here is New Insta Long. It's always difficult for me to pronounce that. Now, before now, you can see there is a whole lot of you can just search for any font, maybe Montserrat, and then you're going to just select it. And if you want to make it bold, you can do that. If you want to make it in italics, you can do that. If you want to underline it, and every other effects you can apply on it. Yeah, that's cool. But what I didn't notice until a while ago, some of you might have, why others might not. Now, this is the font that I just searched. If you notice close to it, you're going to see an arrow, more like a greater than sign if you're a mathematical person. Now, if you click on it, you're going to see a whole lot of options, like all relating to this particular font. You have the thin, you have the extra light, you have the light, you have the regular, you have the medium, you have semi bold, you have bold, you have extra bold, and then you have black. Okay, so all of these was not there before. If you search for Montserrat, maybe you get to see a whole lot of options. Maybe you get to see Montserrat semi-bold, get to see Montserrat regular, you get to see Montserrat medium, but not in this way. Okay, not in this way. And this is actually really nice. I actually love it. Now let's try another font. If you see, there's Lato here, there is there's ITC souvenir, and they all come with different options. It is really nice. This is cool. Bebas new, even Bebas new now has regular and bold. Same thing here. So this is nice. This is something you can play around with. This is something that I noticed and I felt that more people need to know about this. Okay. So if you know this, if you knew about this before, let me know in the comment section. If this is your first time just getting to know this, also let me know in the comment section. And to summarize this, go over to the font. Okay, you can select this and then click on the font here and click on the arrow before the font to display all the options relating to that font, and then you can select. So this is really nice, this is cool, and you should play with this. I remain Kelechi, and if you want to learn more, follow me on all platforms. I also have a course on Canva that you can learn, the Canva plus AI course. So for now, bye bye and see you in the next video tutorial.